Hey guys, Puneet here from Gentech. Let's check out the trending tech news of this week. So the first update is from DJI. They're launching the FPV drone. So DJI has released the first person view FPV drone this week. It costs around $1,299. There's a head mounted display too for flying this drone. FPVs are usually for advanced racers, but this device is made for complete beginners. It can achieve the max speed of 87 miles per hour and it can shoot the video in 4K 60 frames per second. Though unlike racing model, this device isn't particularly modular or customizable, so you can't really tweak it for speed. The next update is from Oppo. They are about to launch their Find X3 series. Before the launch of Oppo Find X3, there are many specs and features have already been leaked. Some of them are, it will be powered by Snapdragon 888 processor, will have a 6.7-inch 1440p display with a dynamic range refresh rate that goes up to 120 Hz. It also has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 65 watt fast charging, but it will also be able to wirelessly charge up to 30 watt. It apparently got a pair of 50 megapixel sensors, one wide angle, one ultra wide, as well as 13 megapixel camera with 2 times optical zoom and a 3 megapixel macro camera. In a few days we will definitely know if that's all true. The next update is from a company called CC. They launched the folding TV. Recently we have seen a lot of innovation in the TV industry where LG showed its rollable TV and Xiaomi's transparent TV. However, an Austrian tech company called CC, known to make high-end outdoor television, had debuted the M1, a whopping 165-inch 4K micro LED TV that folds up and tucks away right underneath the floorboard. This base also houses the television's powerful speaker system, including two 250 watt broad speakers and one big 700 watt subwoofer to really give that a punch. To keep the entire TV lightweight, the frame is made and outer body made out of aviation grade aluminium. The M1 comes in 4 colors: silver, gold, black and titanium, and boasts a price tag of around $400,000. So it's not cheap in any sense. The next update is from Realme GT 5G. They launched with Snapdragon 888. So Realme GT 5G is now world's cheapest Snapdragon 888 smartphone, housing nearly everything you would expect from a flagship $1,000 smartphone for the low price of approximately $433. However, the phone is for sale only in China right now. The specs here look fantastic for the price: a 120 Hz refresh rate, 6.43-inch screen, Samsung OLED panel, a Snapdragon 888, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, a 4500 mAh battery, 65 watt wired fast charging, an under-screen fingerprint reader, NFC, a USB-C slot, and a headphone jack. There's also a higher tier version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage for a price around $510. The OS is Android 11 with a Realme UI 2.0 skin. However, there are some cut corners here as a lack of wireless charging and water resistance. But for $430, this is a stunning package. So guys, the last update is from WhatsApp. They brings the desktop voice and video call. So WhatsApp desktop app for Mac and PC got voice and video calling this week. The company announced offering end-to-end encryption calls to other WhatsApp users on both computers and mobile devices. However, the desktop app will only support one-to-one calling, not group calls. WhatsApp does promise that it will be expanding to include the support for group voice and video calls down the line, although it hasn't said when it will happen. So guys, that's all the update for this week. If you like this video and want to get notified for more tech news and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and see you next week.